Hello and welcome to TechTube. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can check out your block list on the Rednote app. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open the Rednote app on your phone. Make sure that you have signed into your account. Go ahead and click on the three lines on the top left hand side and click on settings. After you do that, you can see privacy settings under notification settings. Go ahead and tap on privacy settings, scroll all the way down. After you do that, you can see blocked users. To see your blocked list, just go ahead and tap on the blocked users, and as you tap on his or her profile, you can easily unblock them as well. So go ahead and tap on unblock, and as you can see, you have just unblocked the user. To block a user, just go ahead and go to the video, and you can swipe right and click on the three dots on the top right hand side, click block, and if you want to see your view block list, click on the three lines, click on settings and go to privacy settings. Scroll all the way down and find blocked users, and this is your blocked list on the Rednote app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.